This is AJ with Trading Trainer on the evening of Monday, July 19th with your Trading Trainer Daily Insights. What we're going to do here is take a look at our Trading Trainer Daily Picks Report Generation tool. We're going to go ahead and create for ourselves a pick list. From this pick list, we're going to find a candidate, do a full analysis on it, see if it deserves to be on our hot list. If it does, we're going to craft follow-through rules, pick an option strategy, pre-select options, and put together a preliminary exit. So we've got price, description, the two short-term trend following template components, and the option trading candidates. Let's get right to it. I'll do a master sort on the short-term trend test. And Valeant Pharmaceuticals, a specialty pharmaceutical company engaging in the development, manufacture, and marketing of a range of pharmaceuticals. So they're into drugs. They are in the mid-50s. They've got 2 days of trend on the 5-day simple moving average count, and they got the short-term trend test and the trend reversal test giving us confirmations today. Let's back this up a notch and let's take a closer look at volume and trends for this particular candidate. So we can see that volume was up slightly compared to Friday. Friday well above the 200-day. Oscillator's not up, so that gives me some concerns as a trend follower. And then you can see here that the stock itself is up in the short duration, but in the long duration it's neutral. Subsectors neutral, sectors neutral, supersectors neutral, and industry is neutral. The sector, by the way, is DJUSPN. That's pharmaceuticals and bio, DJUSPN. PN. So let's go ahead and plot this and look at the template itself. All right, so here we go. First, the trend reversal test. So here's our downtrend. And then we've got a complete open high-low close bar above that. I'll take that as my trend reversal, along with the MACD, which came 2 days later. Then we've got our MACD. We've got our MACD divergence. Got our RSI. And we have price. So there you go. We've got everything that we need in order to call this a trend, short-term trend confirmation. So now we want to look for validation. Listen, these 3 S-bars in a row, actually 4, are fantastic. Being above resistance is fantastic. Seeing this volume picture is fantastic. Listen, I'm sold. I am sold. Let's go back a couple more months. Go back all the way to a year. Yeah, we're at an all-time high. I am really liking this one. So let's get into it. I'm going to go ahead and open up a worksheet for ourselves. We're going to evaluate this character during afternoon session. The stock VRX is greater than what we got today for a high, which is 55.51. The index, so let's go ahead and overlay our New York Stock Exchange, NYA.X, and see what it looks like. There's no match at all. So let's overlay our DJUSPN. No. You know what? I'm going to let this stock ride on its own. I know that that's kind of iffy, but it looks like this stock is really part of that 10 to 15% that marches to the beat of its own drum. Stock forming an S-bar and stock trending up on balance volume accumulation distribution. Etc., etc. Now this would be a stock, by the way, that I could see doing some sort of, if there was money in it, doing some sort of vertical spread like 50 to 45, making a time decay position out of it, or making a directional position out of it where not only could it go up, but it could go horizontally, because as you can see here, for the end of June all the way up until now, it was going horizontally. So that would allow you to profit in two ways instead of one, at a cost of reduced profit. But at the same time, I could also see going long on a call. You could go ahead on your own and set up on both. I'm going to go ahead and just set up on the directional play, the purely directional play. But you might consider setting up on both. All right, so here's VRX. And we have to pick an option here. All right, and we want to go to analysis. And while I'm pulling up the analysis, I'll also bring back my chart. There we go. All right, so pulling up our options chain. Here's the August. September looks like it is the next quarterly. September or December. Let's just scroll down here and just open up September. So with September, we could definitely, oh my gosh, there's so much open interest. I was a little bit worried. I'm not anymore. So let's just go September, which is our VRX. September 50 call. And change this down to 4%. And, I do want to look at December just to see the difference in price. So this is about $6, and the December 50 is about $6. Oh my gosh, it's only $6.50. Guess what? I want more time. There you go. And last but not least, listen, here's something else I would want to do. If you go over here and open up a new browser window and you type in ticker VRX into Google, then Google gives you these quick links into its different pieces here. And let's go to a 6-month chart. And we can even make it linear and open, high, low, close. And you can kind of see these news pieces here. There's Valeant sued by investor over some kind of merger. Blah, blah, blah. What I'm trying to do here is find some earnings. Looks like this company's on a roll here. This is the type of due diligence that you would want to do for your own type of quarter 2 earnings release. 9:30. Look at this, August 2nd. There you go. So we've got time before earnings comes in. Not much, but enough. Hey, this is the type of due diligence you're going to do. I don't usually do this during our charts of interest videos, but I did today. And just to give you kind of an idea of the type of research I do. Okay. And you're supposed to do that too, by the way. Here is our notes. That's all I've got for you. Please take care.